Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Poonam if you're watching me for the first time. Since the wedding season is going on and many of my friends are getting knotted, and I want to help you out guys. Last year I got married and I did small little steps because my wedding was in Calcutta and that time also I was living in Bombay. So the point was that I have to travel to Calcutta and then I have to get knotted. So I packed very little, very minimum of makeup for my wedding makeup trousseau, and I want to help you guys out. What are the makeup stuffs you should pack for your trousseaus. If you don't like makeup, please don't go ahead of buying lots of makeup, binge buying of makeup, because that will really a waste of money, to be very honest, because you will not be using them. But if you are a person who loves makeup and a makeup junkie like me, then you can it's open world, so you can go and binge buy your makeup. And yes, also I want to share that it is not necessary that whether you are a makeup junkie or not, you can get little stuffs during your wedding trousseau. Yes, the minimum makeup you should carry, because you will be going to a new house and obviously your in-laws will be there, even guests will be coming on and off at your place. So you need to look good, because obviously you will be the bride and you will be would be wife of somebody. So for that reason you need to look a bit good, so for that reason you need minimum of makeup. So right now I will show you what makeup you can get so that you can manage the small family functions that are going on and will be going on even after your wedding. So this makeups stuff you can get, and I'm just trying to help you out to pack your wedding makeup trousseau. So without further ado, let's go. So the first thing is that I'm not including any primer or moisturizer in it. It's a must before you doing makeup. So I'm not including any moisturizer or primer, because that you can buy according to your skin type. So guys, the first thing that I want to share with you guys, the foundation or a base. If you are very you are not of a foundation person and still you want a bit of glow, you can go for Pond's BB cream. It will be a very light base makeup for your skin. For heavy base makeup, the first thing I would like to recommend is Lakme Perfecting Foundation. You can go for Dream Velvet Foundation and also Fit Me. These are the foundation you can go for your heavy base makeup. So the next thing is that concealer. I'm not big fan of concealer, but nowadays I'm getting bit of dark circles and all that stuff, and if I want to highlight my under eyes, then I go for concealers. So the first concealer I want to recommend, this was also from my wedding trousseau by the way. This was LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm almost out of it. I love this concealer, and I can bet you guys this is the best concealer that I have ever come across. It's gel based concealer. It's not creamy, but it blends really well, no doubt. It's a gel based concealer, but it blends out really well. Then again, almost the name has gone off because it's bit 1 year, a little bit more old. So it's Makeup Revolution Stick Concealer, and this is really great guys. It's a good base for your eyeshadows because it's creamy texture and it glides awesomely. So yes guys, these are very nice concealers. You can get your hands on them, and I know when wedding time is going on, you get nervous and you get sleepless night because of that, you might get a puffy under eye or a dark circle. So for that reason, I'm recommending these two concealers, guys, which will help you to solve the problem, guys. Next comes powders. Like, I have two options for you guys. First of all is Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is very good powder, and anyways, you can see, like, how much loved it was. So Maybelline Fit Me powder is really nice and I really love it. This was also on my wedding trousseau and I really like it. The next powder is from Faces, because this powder is like loose powder, okay? So when it's loose powder, it's very easy to bake to set up your under eyes. So this is the powder, guys, and I really love it, and I have already shown it in a haul, and the packaging is very cute. So yeah, who wouldn't like this kind of powder in their video trousseau? For a highlighter, I would first recommend Faces Ultime Pro Metallic Glow highlighter, which is a liquid highlighter, but it's gel based. It dries up very fast. So if you are something who want a luminous base, you can mix this you can mix this with your foundation and just buff it on your face. And yes, I love this highlighter, no doubt. Balm Manisa Sister palette, and it's the best highlighter I have ever came across, because obviously Faces is, no doubt, it's good, but this gives that zing of highlight that you need for the wedding season, or like so these two highlighters, this highlighter is very favorite of mine, and this one is also very favorite. But yes, I'm sharing you like two form of highlighters. One is liquid and one is powder, which really works great as an highlighter, guys. Next is blush. I'm not a big fan of blush, but yes, I would you guys like blushes, so I thought of including blush, because nowadays a bronzer and a highlighter does all the work. This blush, this is from the Body Shop. The shade name is Macaroon. It's a good blush. It gives that little flash of color. So I have this Lakme Absolute bronzer. This it's a blusher mainly, but it the blusher shade name is Day Sheer. It has that sheen look and it's very glittery, it's very chunky, and it's give the texture of that baked blush. So it goes really well with the Indian skin tone, so for that reason I'm recommending you guys. The next is this Lakme Absolute Sun-Kissed bronzer. This is my absolute favorite, guys, and you already know, I'm in love of this bronzer because I include in every makeup video of mine. So it has two shades, like one is bit darker to the other one. So yes, for that reason it gives that contour chilled face. So for eyes, I have a couple of options for you guys. The first thing that is a Makeup Revolution palettes. Like some of the brides out there who like quirky, chunky colors on their lids, but some are basic, towards base colors and all. Then I would recommend this palette, this Girl Panny palette. Makeup Revolution, there are also Salvation palettes and all that stuff. You can get the base iconic one or two palettes are awesome. They are best for the best. The colors are awesome, see. And also, if you want to spend little bit more, you can get this Tartelette Tease palette, which I recently got during Navratri. So this is also very good palette. It's very handy. You just throw it in your purse, and yeah, this is very handy, and this will fit in your purse like awesome. It has got 6 colors. So yes, the colors which you really need for your wedding functions. if you want to go for like little bit bold colors and all, like little quirk, if you want to add it in your eyes and yet you want to look like you are putting some bridal colors on your lids and all, so I would recommend this Nika K9 eyeshadow palette. It's available on Nykaa, and this is very good palette. Since you can take this palette, it has got this beautiful magenta color, this beautiful fuchsia pink color, and this blue color, this grey color. So this will add the jazz to your eyes, and also it has got some base colors like this brown is there, and this orangish color is there, then black, then grey, then white. This can add as like you can add this eyeshadow palette, like just one palette, and you are all set for like very basic eye makeup, or if you want to add some color, this eye makeup like eyeshadow palette is perfect because it has all the colors that you need after wedding. So the first eyeliners I want to say that this was also in my wedding trousseau. I love this eyeliner, that is Lakme Absolute Shine Line. It's a very good liner because it has a big wand, so to do a perfect wing liner, to do a perfect thin liner, it will work wonder. I mean, I'm very fond of liquid liners like this. Yes. Then next is this Hilary Rhoda. For example, if you are going for cocktail and you don't want to do your eye makeup like eyeshadow and all that stuff, you just line your eyes with this glitter liner and you are good to go. You are just slaying, man. And everybody gonna ask you, oh, you're wearing a glitter liner, what liner it is? It's a Hilary Rhoda. It's a very affordable brand, and you can get this from Insta stores, Flipkart, Amazon. You can get this liner. So the next thing is that everybody knew that the kajal is a must thing. I'm like I don't use any other kajal. I use this Colossal kajal, and it's my favorite as always. So Colossal kajal, this one. And if you want to add a bit of color of your kajal, Colossal has this turquoise color as well, so you can add that jazz to your eyes. Then mascara. So mascara, I have two mascara for you guys, one for long lasting and one for quick functions. For example, after your wedding there will be Satyanarayan Bhagwan ki puja and all that stuff, and it's a family function and it won't last for like 1 or 2 hours like so and all that stuff. I would recommend you this mascara. This is from Lakme Absolute Flutter Secret Mascara, because this is not waterproof, guys. First of all, I mean, it wash off very easily. I mean, if you cry it won't wash off like that, but I'm just saying this wash off very easily. Yes, you can get it out there. Or else if you want that like curvy and that jazz to your eyelashes, and you want to stay for long hours, for example if you are going for an outing with your husband and your in-laws, for like maybe a 4 to 5 hours of affair, then you should go for Hyper Curl Volume Express waterproof mascara, because this will never come off, guys. No matter if you cry, I mean that then also it will not come off unless and until you take a cotton pad and dip it in makeup remover and hold it like this and then rub it, then only it will come off. It's like that. If you wear a lip shade, the whole look, you don't need any makeup. I mean, trust me, guys. I mean, that doesn't mean that I'm stopping you guys buying makeup. I'm just saying, if you are not like if you're in that hurry, just put kajal and just put lipstick, you are done. I mean, I'm like that. Like after my wedding got over and there were small little functions in my family, in my in-laws house, in my house, so I was just wearing lipstick, eyeliner, kajal, because I'm very fast in wearing eyeliner. I'm very fast, in fraction of minutes you will see I am done with my wing liners. And you have to figure out how things works at your home and between your family, because this is the time you should get most of like spending time with your family, rather investing those time with on your makeup. So I do believe that you should do minimum makeup so that you look presentable on your small functions photographs as a bride, but at the same time you should invest those precious time with your family and friends that will really work for you. So guys, for me, the first lip shades that I want to show you guys is the In Color Matte Me lipsticks. I mean, I just love these lipsticks, guys. No doubt, I just love these lipsticks. These are available on Nykaa and Amazon as well. Also, I would like to recommend that if you are not that fond of matte texture, because I love that matte texture, but if you are fond of matte textured lipstick but yet there will be some creaminess on your lips, then it should be like this Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse lip and cheek color, because this will also, you can use it as a blush. So this lipstick is pretty good. It is matte but it has that creamy texture to add that creaminess on your lips. It will be not super drying matte, it will be creamy matte, I mean. And yes guys, with that I finish my wedding makeup trousseau that you should get for your wedding, and I hope this will be helpful to you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. I mean, I always do hit the subscribe button like this, I don't know why, but yes, you should hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I post videos on my channel. And yes, love you guys. Have a great wedding season and happy wedding, guys, to all my friends who are getting knotted out there. The virtual friends also, I'm wishing you a very happy wedding season and a very happy wedding if you are getting knotted this year. So love you guys, take care, bye bye.